Hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. Have you ever heard the expression, bad press is better than no press? Or that there's no such thing as bad publicity? Well, I think we all pretty much know on some level that that's not true, especially in our businesses. But you know, the way you see some folks go the extremes to be outrageous on social media, it begins to make you wonder. You know, the other day, though, I read something that was terrific by Seth Godin. He has a terrific blog, daily blog, and he wrote that trust is more important than attention. I thought it was a great line. And I think it's a great instruction for us that as long as we stay true to that. So when you're in your social media, whether it be your Facebook page or you're putting out videos, whatever you're doing in terms of social media, as long as you're putting out things to help people, inform them, start to create a relationship, a connection with you so that they understand who you are and what you offer. You do that consistently, and over time, you're building trust, and that's a good thing. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.